In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when you are not able to save videos on TikTok. So if I go to my home page and then I tap on the share button on the right hand side and I don't see this button, or the button is grayed out. Now, typically when you see the button is grayed out, that means that the option to save the video has been disabled by the creator. But if you have tapped on the save button and the video begins downloading and then it gets stuck, then two things could be happening here. You could be facing a bug within TikTok itself, or you could be on a bad internet connection. So the thing you want to do is you want to go out of TikTok and then you want to go into the control panel of your phone, typically by swiping down from the top of the screen. And then you just want to switch from, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and then test to see if you have a strong internet connection. And you can test it by, let me just get rid of that circle. You can open up an app like YouTube and see if you can load a video. If you can load a video, that means your internet connection is good, if it's playing all right. And then you can go back into TikTok and see if the video gets unstuck from downloading. But if you're still running into issues, then that could mean that you have run out of space on your phone. So you'll just need to go into the settings of your phone, check on your storage within your phone and see if it's not full. If it is full, then all you need to do is delete a few videos or pictures, and then you should be good to go. But if you're still running into problems, then that could be a problem within your account. So if I just cancel that and then I go to my profile, then I tap on my profile name at the top. If I, for example, switch to another account, or I switch to this account right here, that one didn't work. So if I just switch to another account, you want to just switch and then test to see if you can download the video on the other account. If it does work, then that means that there is a problem with that previous account and you'll need to report that problem to TikTok. And you can do that by going to your profile and then tapping on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. And then you'll just want to go down until you find report a problem. And then you want to go through the report a problem steps. Now, if you don't want to do any of this stuff and you just want to get your hands onto the TikTok video, there are third-party apps that you can use in order to save TikTok videos. So to get them, go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, then tap on the search bar at the top, and then you want to search for, on Android, Save or Save Talk. Hit search, and it's this app right here. You can install that and save TikTok videos. And one that you can use on iOS is called Total Files. You can just download that from the Apple App Store. So I hope these solutions did in fact help you out. If they did, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.